Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite PC. First, you'll need to download and install the Epic Games Launcher, which is the gateway to Fortnite. Once installed, create a new Epic Games account or simply log in if you already have one. From the launcher, navigate to the Fortnite page and click Install. The game file size is typically around 30 gigabytes, so ensure you have sufficient storage. After installation, launch the game and head into the Settings menu to optimize your graphics and controls for the best possible experience on your computer. Mastering the basic controls is crucial for success in Fortnite. You'll primarily use your keyboard for movement, with W, A, S, and D for forward, left, backward, and right respectively. The spacebar allows you to jump, and Shift is typically used for sprinting. Your mouse controls aiming and shooting, with the left click to fire and the right click to aim down sights. Practice these movements in the game's creative mode to build muscle memory. You can also customize your keybinds to suit your personal playstyle, making your actions more intuitive. Fortnite's unique blend of combat and building sets it apart. When engaging in combat, focus on aiming for headshots to maximize damage. There are 5 weapon rarities: common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary, each offering increased power. Simultaneously, gathering resources like wood, stone, and metal is vital. You can collect up to 999 units of each material. Use these materials to build structures like walls, ramps, and floors. Practicing quick building will provide defensive cover and offensive advantages during intense firefights, giving you a significant edge over opponents. Beyond the core Battle Royale, Fortnite offers diverse game modes like Zero, Build, and Creative, each providing unique challenges and fun. To truly excel, develop strong map awareness, understanding where the safe zone is shrinking and anticipating enemy movements. Effective rotation, moving strategically across the map, is key to avoiding the storm and finding better positions. Utilize natural cover and player-built structures to your advantage. Finally, practice editing your structures quickly. This advanced technique allows for rapid adjustments to your defenses and creates unexpected attack angles, surprising your adversaries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.